The bond breaker operates on a singular motive, pure isolation. This entity works to sever the mathematical laws that hold our universe together. This manuscript shows ancient geometric diagrams of parallel lines and angles, representing the foundational axioms the bond breaker targets. By infecting Euclid's parallel postulate, it can rewrite the laws of space itself. Our protagonist, Leo, has to face this threat entirely on his own. His experienced guides have departed on a separate mission, leaving him vulnerable with nothing but a violently spinning, malfunctioning compass. When mathematical relationships are severed, the physical world falls apart. Mathematics provides the structural integrity of reality, transcending rote memorization. To fight back, Leo travels to the perfectly gridded Pythagorean peaks. There he meets Radix, a forge master who represents the philosophy of concrete geometry and only trusts what she can physically measure. This diagram illustrates how pure logic solves physical problems when measuring tools fail. By drawing intersecting arcs from a segment's endpoints, a perpendicular line drops, guaranteeing a 90-degree angle. This forms a right triangle. If a cliff is 8 meters and a ledge 6 meters out, the Pythagorean theorem reveals the ramp must be exactly 10 meters. Geometry provides the physical precision needed to navigate tangible problems, but relying solely on what you can physically observe has hidden limitations. In the Echo Garden, that reliance on physical intuition becomes a trap. Assuming that scaling an area up by 36 times simply requires multiplying the sides by 36 results in a violent explosion. Leo needs a different perspective. Nomad is a spirit of abstraction who ignores physical shapes and instead reads the hidden algebraic rules and patterns governing them. This visual breakdown demonstrates the square law. When you double the side length of a square, the total area doesn't double, it quadruples. The ratio of the areas grows by the square of the scale factor of the sides. Physical observation alone can deceive you. Abstract algebraic rules are required to govern scaling and growth. Inside the shape-shifting cave, Radix tries to smash a chaotic monster made of swirling algebraic variables, but her physical hammer passes right through it. This animation shows those chaotic terms snapping together. Leo uses notable identities to recognize the monster's true name. By proving the pieces form the square of a sum, he forces the chaotic variables to collapse into a single, perfect cube. The final obstacle is the composite door, locked by a complex overlapping equation, the square of x plus y minus c squared. This diagram shows a mathematical trick called substitution. By turning that messy x plus y into a temporary placeholder, a, the complex puzzle reveals itself as a simple difference of two squares, expanding neatly into a solvable equation. Abstract algebra defeats complexity by revealing the simple, hidden relationships inside it. The isolating void is banished. In place, a harmonious web of light weaves together geometric shapes and algebraic formulas. Mathematics operates as a single, unified system, rather than a list of separate rules isolated in different silos. Combining physical geometric precision with abstract algebraic patterns allows us to see both the objects and the connections that hold them in place. Mathematics is the language of bonds and relationships. Mastering it allows us to decode and shape the reality we see.